The Hopkins Student Wind Energy Team is a design team of undergraduate engineers and other students passionate about renewable energy. The team provides opportunities to explore the wind energy industry while developing technical, analytical, and interpersonal skills. Through our participation in the U.S. Department of Energy's Collegiate Wind Competition, team members design and test a turbine prototype, develop a siting plan for a wind farm, and spread awareness about wind energy to younger students in the community. Our team placed second in last year's competition, and we hope to do even better this year. Now, the focus of the challenge this year is to design an offshore fixed-bottom wind turbine subject to size and weight constraints with the goal of producing maximum and consistent power output at a wide range of wind speeds. Any donations will go towards buying parts for the turbine, providing members with machine training, subsidizing travel expenses to the competition, and more to give our members the best hands-on, out-of-classroom experiences we can. Please consider donating to the Hopkins Student Wind Energy Team so that we can continue growing to become strong engineers and leaders in the future. Thank you.